Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be a Boxy Charm unboxing for the month of May. And I just got my Boxy Charm today, so I decided to go ahead and unbox it with you guys and also try out the products and show you guys how I like them. Now I did already open it, but I haven't opened any of the products or anything. I was just kind of curious as to, you know, what products I received. I did look on the Boxy Charm. There's I follow a Boxy Charm, it's like a Boxy Charm review or something, you know, like sneak peeks. And I did see a lot of the sneak peeks for this month, so I was just kind of curious as to which ones I was gonna get. And yeah, so this is all the stuff that comes in the box. And go ahead and take this paper out. So this month's theme is the Boxy Bash, and let's see here. So the first thing that I see on top of the card, it says a Pure Sculptor Palette. And actually, so I showed you guys how the box looks like, right? But you guys can't see the palette because it's actually underneath here, well protected. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out for you guys and show you guys. So it comes like this, very nice and well packaged. And this is the front of it. Again, it's the Pure, and it says it's the Highlight and Contour Palette. So you go ahead and just open it up. And this is what it looks like. So you have two contour shades, and then you have some highlighting shades over here. So this one is called Originator, and then this one is called Inventor. This one is called Trailblazer, and right here this one is called Founder. This shade right here looks really deep for my skin tone, but I like it for an eyeshadow. I mean, I haven't played with it yet or anything like that, but I feel like I would like it as an eyeshadow. So it's a really nice deep brown, like, you know, chocolate brown, but this one looks like it would work best for my skin tone. And these two shades right here, these are so pretty. So let me go ahead and just start swatching them for you guys. So those are the highlighting shades in the palette. So this one is Inventor. Oh my gosh, this is like so freaking like creamy. So those are the shades in the Sculptor palette. Just gonna go ahead and wipe that off. Okay. Sorry guys, my hair looks like a mess, but anyways, we're not here for my hair, okay? So the next item, let's see, the next item, we'll go with this Cover FX. So this Cover FX right here, let me just read the card. It's the Cover FX Blurring Primer. So this is what it looks like. Focus, there you go. And it says it's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application, which is great. I mean, who doesn't want a flawless foundation application? I know I do. So this retails for $38, which is, I mean, that's a lot of money, but the box retails for $21, so this is more than the box, so yeah. And I didn't tell you guys the price for the Sculptor palette. So this retails for $30. You guys, is the Matte Lip Gloss by Beauty Creations. So this is the package, and I got the shade Sweetheart. So it's more like a, it looks like a mauvey pinkish. It smells, kind of has a scent to it in a way, but that's the shade right there. And again, I'm going to be putting all these products to the test for you guys. So this retails for, let's see, where are you at? The Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss retails for $10, so it's not bad. And it says it's a matte liquid lip gloss specifically formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. So that's great, and it says it complements all skin tones, which I do agree. I mean, this is a pretty shade for all skin tones. This first fluffy brush right here, this is what it looks like, and it's really soft. And this is the Aesthetica, yeah, I guess Aesthetica P12 face brush. So that's what it looks like, and this retails for $27. So this is again way more than the box alone. This is what the trio looks like, and this is the, again, Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio, and this retails, guys, this retails for $45. Wow, I cannot believe that. Like, I don't know, I wouldn't spend $45 on this, but yeah. Anyways, so we'll just put these to the test as well. And let's see, the last thing I see in here, which I was so excited to try because I've heard a lot of good things about the brand Pretty Vulgar. So this is what it looks like. This is the let's see exactly what it's called. Okay, so it's the Pretty Vulgar the Ink Gel Eyeliner. It says this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. And this retails for $24. Yikes. But yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put this to the test. As you guys can see, guys, like I've, you know, did my brows, and I also kind of did like a pinkish with like some hints of brown eyeshadow. You know, I just kind of needed to put something together, so I came up with this look. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and test all these products out, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts. So I'm gonna first start off with the Cover FX blurring primer, of course, to prime my skin and to freaking blur the F out of these freaking pores. I know my face looks terrible, I know. It's like every time I decide to film like a full-on face, like anything like with Instagram or something, my face just wants to break out. I don't know why. Okay, I'm trying to get this open. There we go. So just take a little bit of that. Oh, it has like a tint to it, guys. You guys see that? I hope. It feels really soft on the skin, which I like, but we'll see, So I'm gonna go ahead and just take my favorite foundation that I've been using for some years now. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, and I use the shade 105 Natural Beige. I used to use the shade 106, but then I started to realize that my foundation wasn't really matching my neck, and that's a big no. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try out this gel liner and let you guys know what I think about it. Damn, look at that wing though. Nah, it looks good. I like how it applies. It's very black. It's creamy. But I don't think this brush is for wing liner. And that's my mistake. But let me double check. It could be. But it's getting the job done, which I like. To set the face, I'm going to be taking my favorite loose setting powder, which is the Airspun, and I get mine in translucent. I'm just going to go ahead and take some of that and use that fluffy brush. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this Pure Sculptor palette, and I'm just gonna take this shade right here, the Inventor. Well, it's not the Inventor, it's the shade Inventor, and this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my falsies and also apply some blush, and I'll just be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight. So I'm going to take again the Pure Sculptor palette, and I'm going to be taking both shades and the palette Originator and also Trailblazer. So I'm going to take these. So now I'm gonna take the, what is this? The Longwear Matte Lip Gloss, and this is by Beauty Creations. And again, I have the shade Sweetheart. I definitely love this shade, you guys. It definitely complements my skin tone, and it feels pretty sticky. I'm not gonna lie, it feels sticky on the lips. Yeah, like all the products, I would say the only product that I didn't really like would have to be the lip gloss or matte lip gloss, because I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty matte, you know, but it's just, it's sticky. Like even going like this to my lips, I can just feel like the stickiness to it. So I don't like that. But other than that, you know, I really do like the Cover FX, you know, primer, which is great. And this is a full size for $38. I mean, yeah, I mean, you're definitely getting your money's worth for the box. And I do like this gel liner. I'm gonna have to get back into wearing, you know, eyeliner, so this is definitely gonna help me out with that. And let's see, for the brush, I did like the brush. It's so soft, and as I was, you know, putting my powder all over my face, it just felt so soft. It was distributing all the powder very evenly on my skin, and again, like I said, you know, it's so soft, so which I love. And let's see what else. Oh, these three brushes right here, I did not use all of them in this video, but I did use this one right here for my gel liner, which I liked. Again, I don't think this is for gel liner. It looks more like lip brush to me, but it definitely got the job done. With this would have to be my favorite item from the box for the month of May. It's so nice. I mean, I love these highlight shades, and I love this shade right here. And guys, I just can't get enough of like how they feel like so soft, which I love. So yeah, that's definitely a plus for me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this month's video for my unboxing, and also just trying on my products and kind of giving you like a mini tutorial, but not really. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and just turn on your post notifications so that way you can know when I do upload. I do plan on uploading more frequently now. I kind of got like a set schedule, so I definitely want to start posting more. But yeah, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of makeup tutorials on there as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.